Hi there, I'm Dr. Joel Evans, and I'm the Medical Director of KBMO Diagnostics. And we're sending you this video because we understand that practitioners are under a lot of pressure in figuring out how to best deal with this COVID-19 pandemic. It's affecting everybody, but it's also affecting doctors and their practice of medicine. So I just want to share that what I've done is I've moved all of my consultations to telemedicine. You may not know that Zoom has an upgrade which is HIPAA compliant, so that you'll be able to quickly register your patients for Zoom consults and not worry about HIPAA. Many insurance companies are also now reimbursing for telemedicine, so this may be a move that works for your practice. Even so, it's important to know that if you don't move all of your patients to telemedicine, you may want to do some. We've done that in our practice because our staff feels safer knowing that there won't be a lot of traffic through the office, and they feel better and safer coming in, so they are continuing and dedicated to coming in and not worrying about themselves. That's important too when you're running a business. But the other thing I want to tell you is that the FIT test and KBMO, we are dedicated to helping you if you're doing telemedicine, because doing a telemedicine appointment or a phone consult should not be a barrier to using the FIT test. You will see in a link in the email that accompanies this video exactly how to order this test for your patients. We drop ship. There won't be issues with shipping charges. So any patient that you speak to that you want to order a test, if it's a telemedicine consult, that won't be a barrier to ordering the test, because you can just easily have the company ship it to your patient. It's easy for them. There's a video on what they need to do, or you can create your own video, whatever you want to do. And your patients can then send the specimen back to KBMO. It's all legal, it's allowed, they get the results. I've been doing that for a while with my telemedicine patients, but I wanted to share that little nugget for you because I'm sure my office is no different from yours, where patients are wondering what they can do. And of course, we talk about all of the recommendations that are out there, the hand washing, the social isolation, etc. We talk about how to improve the immune system through reducing stress, getting sleep, getting outdoors in nature. We talk about supplements that people can use. And then we also talk about the FIT test because, believe it or not, reducing inflammation in your body is a way to help your immune system withstand or fight infection. So with that, the reminder here, we do recommend that you use telemedicine whenever possible, and that shouldn't be a barrier to ordering FIT test for your patients because we drop ship and make it very easy. Thanks so much.